Okay, let's check out this August 16th, which is like a week ago. As you can see, we repaired some late payment history for our client, 27% to 31, and we got a lot more to go. We will show the updates here. By the way, we always remove late payments. So if you need late payments removed, we can definitely help you there. Let's check to see if any of this is relevant. We also remove some collections. Right there, we removed that collection account recently. This is recent success that we're having with our standard program. As you can see right here, remarks have been changed. This means it's pending for deletion. Look at this, payment history changed. So he had some late payments there. That's not good. Okay. That's it. I think that's it.